Good afternoon. Welcome to our learning management system. So my task is to guide our colleagues on how to properly utilize the said system. So we have here the specific course entitled LMS Orientation for Teachers Account. So we have here our forum. Okay, and this forum will serve as the request for video tutorial. So let us check the first request. So according to Mr. Talidong, sir, how can I change the banner of every subject? Okay, so the first step is to click the dashboard and then select a specific course. For example, this one, the artificial intelligence, and then click the gear icon or editing settings, and then move to the lower part. Then assuming that we are going to change, so before that you must have your own design. So how to make your own design? Just open your account or log in your account in canva.com and then create design, custom size, select a unit of inches. For the width we have 8 inches, and then for the height we have 3 inches, and then create design. Then select the template and then the other option, the background photo. Okay, so your design will depends on your creativity. Okay, assuming that I have already my design, then I would just click my previous design and then select or edit it, and then download the specific design. How to download? Just click download and then select the specific pages. So for this one, this is page 7, so that one. Okay, and then download. Example, only the 7. Okay, okay, and then download. Okay, okay, that's it. Assuming that you have already downloaded the file, then go back to your account, and then so what course is this? Artificial Intelligence BSc is 3A. So for example, we will change and then are going to download artificial intelligence. Okay, that one. Then upload, then save, go back to dashboard. That's it. That's simple. So thank you for listening and don't forget to subscribe my channel.